Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at PREMiUM Spark Butane Torch Lighter with Stand. Refillable butane lighter. So it has flame light for continuous use, convenient table stand is included. Right there it says trigger, lot, tester grip, removable stand. So I got this over at Walmart for $9.99, $10. So we're going to see how good it is and, well, what can you really use this for? The little sticker came off. Which, okay, I'm alright with that. So I'm just going to stick that back in there. Now let's go ahead and open up access to the little base. The base is hard plastic. I don't really like that. It feels a little bit too hard, like too hard that it's cheap. Unlike a hard plastic that would be okay. Now the grip feels really good. It's just like a soft rubber grip on there that kind of almost feels. It almost feels like a grip on a 1911 handgun. If you ever felt a grip on a 1911 handgun, that's what this grip kind of feels like. It reminds me with that cross checker X pattern on there. Feels good, but a little bit sticky in the hands. If you grip it a little too hard or a little bit too long, just kind of have that. Listen to it. Hopefully the camera can pick this up. Oh my god, it did come with fuel. So, nice little jet lighter. Adjust your flame down there. Fill it from there. So let's go ahead and lock it. And you do have to slide it to unlock it. Here's this little stand or display base. You pop it in there. You still have access to adjusting it and filling it up, but really, why would you need access hole in the base when it just keeps on falling off? I mean, it doesn't even sit to lock in there. It's more for like just standing up like this, and it doesn't even stand up like that. I mean, the thing just falls right on over. I definitely would not want to have it in there in lock mode when it's like this. What I would probably do is probably get like, I don't know, maybe like some sticky tape, double-sided sticky tape, and kind of stick it like on the back there, or maybe like a poster putty or something, just so that this has a little bit more stability to it. Now, can you use it to light a pipe? With a flame like this, I would not use it to be a pipe lighter. Can you use it on a bond or legally a water pipe? Yeah, legally, all tobacco shops has called this a legal water pipe for tobacco use only, but we know what people use it for. And we know, going by old school Cheech and Chong, it's a bond. Can you use it? Well, I'm going to see. I mean, you could, but you really wouldn't want to use it to light this because of how that ball was made. This would be probably more useful for someone that's into wax or shattered CBD type of stuff. That, you know, if you're using a nectar straw, you want to get that. Or if you're using a water pipe or a bond with either a nail or probably a little bit better, a quartz banger. You know, because those things you gotta have like a torch, almost like a freaking blowtorch or a freaking dragon with the fires of hell coming out of his mouth to set that banger bowl to get it growing really well, like almost if you're making it yourself as a grass blower, you want that banger to be super wet and then like kind of cool off naturally over time. This might be a torch for you if you're into that all shattered and waxes and you have a little water pipe with, a banger on there instead of just, the standard old little slide type of bowl. Definitely it might be a good light for you. For me, I use charcoal when I use my grill. I don't have a gas grill, so a charcoal grill lighter. But yeah, not bad at all. Definitely well to get go. The package it has, a nice big flame on there. Just wish that the stand was a bit sturdy because when you set it in there, yeah. Now if you set it down without the stand, well it's fine. Set it down with the stand, nope. Oh no, I mean for $10 over at Walmart for this PREMiUM Spark butane torch lighter with stand, not bad at all. Just wish that the stand was made out of perhaps a little bit better material and that the lighter fit in there. But you know what I mean, I'm going to do some modifications. Like I said, those like sticky tape or some poster putty type of stuff in there. Or like poster foam. That sticky stuff that kind of looks like foam, but with sticky side tape on both sides of it that, you put on there your posters. I'll put stuff in there to try to get this to stand in there instead of doing, a complete face plant to the side. But yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell, the sub button, the like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks.